Here we are in Death Valley on Golden Canyon Trail. If you touch any of the rock, or mud rock they call it, it just crumbles in your hands. It's amazing. You keep walking and walking, and then you open up to these beautiful vistas of more mud rock just for miles and miles. And then in the background where those red rocks are, that's called Red Cathedral. That's harder rock that's been pushed up. Nothing green or bright in color in sight.
Except me?
Except for Vlad. And fellow Mount Everest hiker.